Thengia ya thirikari gukorwo ikiheana githomo gitari marihi kuri arutwo othe bururi-ini. Gicunji kinene kia arutwo aria makoragwo na mawathe ngurani makoretwo makigerera ihinda iritu kwamukira githomo, undu uria ucungiriirie aingi ao guikara micii-ini matari na mwihoko o wothe. Kuringana na Minista wa Githomo Julius Ogamba, thirikari ndirahota gukinyaniria kuhingia mabataro ma arutwo aya othe. Giki ari kimwe kia itumi cia thirikari gukorwo ikinyitanira na honge ngurani thiini wa tabarira itiganite cia guteithiriria arutwo aya. Ogamba ekwaragia o hindi ya kuruguria tabarira ya INUKA rungu rwa gikundi gia Kenya Pipeline, tabarira iria koretwo ikihura njeki arutwo aria mari na mawathe gukinyaniria mathomo thukuru-ini cia secondary.
The rationale behind this program is simple. Every child deserves a chance. Through INUKA, we are committed to dismantling these barriers, ensuring that irrespective of disability or financial hardship, every child has an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to succeed.
Kenya's commitment to inclusive education is further reflected in our policies and international agreements. We are committed to the United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Child and the Sustainable Development Goals, SDG, especially SDG number 4, which aims to ensure inclusive and quality education for all.
Thengia ya tabarira ta ici nditi ingi iri gumeire ukinyaniria wa kimathomo kuri arutwo aya ni kwaga mawatho ma kuhotithia ukinyaniria wa tabarira ngurani cia thirikari, na to kuri arutwo tu, kuona ona andu agima aria mari mawathe matikoretwo makiheo mieke ta uria yendekithitio thiini wa mawatho ngurani.
We probably need to think about changing the Banking Act, where we should be able to show that if an institution like KPC has given a contract to a person with disability, with this LPO, the bank should be able to finance that contract as long as they sign an agreement with KPC that the payment will be done through that bank.
Akirahira kuhitukio kwa watho ukoni andu aria mari na mawathe wa mwaka wa 2023, Senator wa guthukio Kristo Asige augite andu aria makoragwo na mawathe makoretwo matiganeirio kwa ihinda iraya, akiuga kuri na mawatho ngurani marathii na mbere guthurimwo ni mbunge kwa ihinda riri maria matanyitwo kurehe ugaruruku munene.
Addresses the numerous challenges faced by learners with disabilities who are here in the room in accessing quality education. It ensures that schools are equipped with the resources, infrastructure, and trained personnel necessary to provide inclusive education for all students.
Thirikari ni iranire guthie na mbere kugacirithia githomo kuri arutwo aya niguo gutigirira onao ni magia na mieke ya kuingira thukuru-ini cia university. Ogamba akihinyiriria aciari na arutwo guthie na mbere kwiyandikithia na ruhonge rwa ugai wa mieke ya university mbere ya mweke uyu kuhingwo muthia-ini wa mweri uyu.
The portal is open to candidates who start the examinations from the year 2000 onwards. From 2000 to 2024, you are free to apply if you meet the criteria or because you have missed to apply for one reason or another.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Wadĩro.